Hi everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to write my signature on a Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, write my signature is going to the insert menu option. Then we can see is going to the shape option and click for the signature option. Now shape icon is my signature. This signature is change the color and going to the shape fill option. Then NSS color and click for the outline color option. Then NSS color. That's okay. Then we show the write my signature on a Microsoft Word. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.